Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Gemini. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that. That may give you more clarity in your circumstances. So let's start the reading with these cards here, Gemini. We have Knight of Pentacles in reverse, Wheel of Fortune in reverse, and Death. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are feeling really sad, maybe stressed, something is not right. You are seeing some changes today. Something unexpected may happen in your life today, and something may end. There may be an end coming in your life. It may be in your professional life. Maybe you're quitting your job, or things are changing drastically in your circumstances. Maybe for some of you, it may even mean a better job coming. Maybe you're quitting this job, taking up a new job. So, some changes in your professional situation or in your personal life. Maybe with this person you love, you are seeing some inevitable changes. You feel really stuck or confused in this relationship. You don't know what is there in their mind or what will be their reaction. So some lack of clarity or confusion that is pushing you towards something, or it is their energy towards this relationship. Maybe they are thinking that this connection may not work and they are making a drastic choice. Maybe they are thinking of separation or moving away from you, or taking a break in this relationship, taking a break from you, from this connection. And you may feel really lost, and the reason for their actions maybe they are not devoted enough to you, and they do not want to change themselves for you. That may be the reason. Or they are quite confused. They are unable to make a clear choice, and they don't know where things will go. That may be the reason they are thinking of moving away or separation. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Ace of Cups in reverse. So though you have this person, you love them, you may have a level of understanding with this person, but it is something that is not permanent, something that is on a rocky ground. Maybe it's not permanent, it is not stable, this connection is not stable. So maybe that may be the reason this person is thinking of separation. Maybe they feel that they cannot trust you, they cannot rely on this connection, and taking a break for a few days may change the way things are in this connection, Gemini. So you need not worry. That is what I see with these cards for your relationship. So for your career situation, let's see what is the card. It's King of Swords in reverse. So maybe in your work you may have people who are not good towards you. Maybe their intentions may not be good. So if you are in a state you need to rely on someone, you should not do that. You must try to do things your way and not depending on others. That is going to help you in your work circumstances, Gemini. So that is the reading with these cards, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, strangely lonely, holding on way too tight. So maybe in your circumstances today, you are holding on to some ideas or maybe some belief you have, and you are not willing to let go of it. And though you are with people who care for you, who love you a lot, you feel really lonely because you are holding on to some belief system or something, and you need to connect to it on a day-to-day basis. Maybe you are doing something, maybe practicing some rituals or holding on to something very deep, something very secretively, and you feel really happy to be in that space, to have that alone time, be in that space, because you have a lot of imagination and you are someone who loves that time with yourself. And today you may not like the people who are disturbing it, and you even fear letting people so close to you that they will come to know what you are deep down, what you are really. So you just keep them away, a step away, shielding yourself. But today the energy with this card is maybe, at least for a moment, you should let go of this obsession, or maybe you should not hide yourself so secretly. You must let at least one person, someone who is truly concerned about you, who truly loves you, to let them come closer to you, let them in. That is going to change, at least for a moment. So you must let go of all your obsession, or maybe you are pushing certain people away from you because you are scared that it will affect that delicate balance you have. And your inner world is much richer than your outer world, so you simply enjoy in that space, in that alone time. But today you need to if you want to recreate your world in a better way, you must willingly, consciously allow someone close to you that is going to impact you in a positive way. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, Archangel Raphael. So with this card, It just means that angels are here guiding us, and this angel stands for healing, and this angel protects us when we are traveling. So if you are traveling, you can pray to this angel for a safe travel. And also this angel card just means that we are healing emotionally, physically and spiritually. So it just helps us, this angel influences us to take up a healthy lifestyle, what will make us heal physically. At the same way, what is emotional healing? Giving up all those toxic feelings that we have. So this angel also assists us in that, and it gives us insight into what is beneficial for us, what is beneficial for us mentally, what is good for us physically, and what is the right thing for us emotionally and spiritually. And this angel stands for healing power, guys. So you can pray to this angel, or you are on the path to healing. So you are changing your lifestyle, trying to do things in a better way, improving your health, and even in your personal life. Maybe you are hurt about something, or you're feeling hurt. You should give up all that hurt, and you must try to be more positive. Give up all those toxic feelings of hurt, resentment, guilt, whatever you have, and move towards positive feelings. Be aware of your circumstances and the blessings that you have in your life today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.